Hey there, I got a good one for you today. Here it is. Oh, I didn't wait till the middle of the video to tell you what it was, because I'm not going to give you bull crap. Let's forget the younger generation and how they present stuff, because I think you'll reward me if I constantly give you stuff, not just to make the video longer so you'll stay, but as you go through my videos, you'll see I give you good, pertinent information all the way through. So you're not wasting your time. So let's get into it. TMG, that's the way to look at this, okay? And this is by Nutricos, betaine, and Hydrus. And if you're 40 years old or older, you need to be taking this. If you're into fitness or want to get into fitness, or even not, this has so many benefits. This ranks up there, in my opinion. It's better than creatine. Well, I'm a non-responder to creatine, so maybe I'm a little bit biased. Quarter inch, guys, a quarter inch on my arms within 6 weeks after I started taking this. Now, I'm not getting quarter inch more. It's not an anabolic steroid. So what exactly is it? Okay, what is TMG? Well, I'm going to read these because I don't want to miss any. You get more output per set. TMG can help you push harder when strength and power don't come free anymore. This is what will give you that extra rep or two so that you get that extra growth. If you can get an extra rep or two just because your energy in your body is firing better together, you're going to get more growth. Simple. Next, better work capacity. You keep your performance longer instead of fading after the first few sets. So you get the endurance, so you're not there the last, I don't know, 2 or 3 sets of your whole workout. You've been there 45 minutes, or in my case, sometimes an hour and a half, where you feel washed up. This will decrease that, okay? And all of this stuff, I'm telling you, it has been studied and it's true. And I've used it myself and still use it. I will never go away from this. This is a staple for me. Absolutely. And it's 3 grams a day, and I'll get into dosing, all right? Because you may hear a little bit different. I'll tell you why that I go with 3 grams. It's an interesting reason. Bigger training pop. It supports cellular hydration. Muscles look and feel fuller when you're working. Absolutely. If you go to the gym and you get this, especially if you're cutting or you're not eating too many carbohydrates, you get kind of a dull, flat look. This keeps muscles hydrated better. And guess what? On the practical scientific side, if they're hydrated better, they're getting better nutrient sharing and different things like that into the muscles. All right, the muscles are getting what they need because water is a transporter. Supports methylation. Now, I'm not going to get into that here, all right, but look it up. You need methylation, and as you get older, you lose that. And there are a lot of health benefits to methylation. Let me just leave it at that. I don't want to make this a complex scientific thing, okay? Helps manage homocysteine and methyl donor demand. And guess what, guys? People that are cardiovascular doctors and things like that, they're starting to look more at this than looking at stupid cholesterol numbers. Another video for that one. Okay, so homocysteine, it's important. Look it up. Pairs clean with creatine. I'm a non-responder to creatine. Supposedly, if you take creatine, this amplifies it. You'll have to tell me. Leave it in the comments after a few weeks if you've noticed you get better effects of creatine. Now, whether you take creatine or not, if you eat particularly red meat, you're going to be getting creatine that way. And this helps that creatine get to the right place, which is in the muscles. Isn't that where you want it? And so now let's go to dosing. I take it pre-workout. Why? Because I don't want to forget it. It's on the stack in my shelf with everything else I take, which is getting less and less, by the way, as time goes by. This is one of them. I don't miss this one. Even on days I don't work out, I take 3 grams of this. Now, this is 500 grams. It's from Nutricos. That's the whole thing here, all right? I don't have money, so I need to save money whenever I can. I have capsules. And what I do is I take the scoop, and I'm going to show you the scoop in here. Show you how little of it is. There you go. That's it. 2 scoops, 3 grams. Why 3? Because the sign shows like 2.6 grams is the sweet spot. You're not going to OD on it. Nothing bad happens if you have more. In fact, there are people that have massively dosed this. I'm not recommending that, but all you need is 3 grams. That's 2 little scoops here. I take these capsules, I pour them into the capsules, tap it down a little bit till they're full, cap it, and then I take them. Now, if I'm doing a pre-workout where it's got some flavor in it, like, I don't know, berry flavored pre-workout or whatever, I'll just put it in there because whatever the taste is of this, it's not bad enough to mess it up. So just to let you know that. If you're 40 and over, you need to be taking this. I can see more and more videos in the future on this. Why? Because it works. It's one of the few things that actually works. And the health benefits and the benefits for athletes and for things that we're into, this is the bomb, guys. Take care. See you in the next video.